We engage with lots of different groups of people throughout the school year to help us create our new menus for the following school year. We engage with our students by using student taste tests at different schools. We also engage with all of our managers in our schools. We have manager menu committees with them, and we find out what's going well over the school year and what's not going as well. And then we also engage with all of our different vendors that we buy our products from. They do food shows, and they show us lots of different recipes and give us some ideas. So we put all of those together and come up with our menus for next year. We have a 4-week menu cycle, which means that every 4 weeks our menus start again. And then throughout the school year, we also have what's called limited time offers. We have the opportunity to try new and kind of exciting entrees that we want to test with the students. And they're on the menu for a couple times. So this year we're actually going to be bringing in chicken tikka masala and chana masala for all of our students that would be interested in that. Elementary and middle schools will have your entree, your milk, your fruit, and they can get 2 vegetables. And then in our high schools, we have a little bit bigger portions for those students. They can sometimes get extra grains or extra meats throughout the week in their entrees. And they're also allowed to have 2 fruits and 2 vegetables. So they get some more options than the other grade levels. There are a lot of regulations that we have to follow with school menus. We have to meet the meal pattern, which is through the USDA, the amounts of fruits, the amounts of vegetables, meats and grains that we have to serve for our students. On top of that, we also have to meet nutrition regulations. This school year, some of the changes are instead of doing a 3-week cycle, we're doing a 4-week cycle at lunch, which means we're bringing in more variety, more types of entrees. We're also doing a 2-week cycle at breakfast instead of a 1-week cycle, which means we'll have more breakfast entrees as well. Other things that have changed are we are bringing in more meatless entrees and more vegetarian recipes. So we're very excited to try some of these new recipes for our students to try and see if they like these new and exciting flavors. To view your menus, go to the CCPS app, select your school, and go to dining.